Yo. Okay, quick little video recording in regards to this trade right here. So pretty much sales were pretty much just being pushed down for last week. Market did open in a gap. Market stopped here, gap down here. So first let's talk about how it filled this gap in, how it was supposed to fill this gap in and ended up pushing all the way up, and then it eventually gapped down and ended up closing that gap. But then in that, it created its own gap again. So my thoughts already were like, okay, so it has to essentially fill in that gap. Form support here. I wasn't too convinced that price would just continue pushing up from there. It did have the potential to continue pushing down. So what I waited was for a break of the high. The break of this high right here ended up getting into the break of that high. Stop loss was 19 pip stop loss, and then trade was activated once it broke that high. Price did keep on pushing. Another entry could have been caught from this level of support that was formed right there. Another one could have been caught on this level of support, and another one could have been caught on this level of support. So there was plenty of opportunity to have gotten a trade in there, and I've just caught this entire move up. Obviously, if you just held partials, you could have ended up catching this entire move up, but most people don't do that. I did catch the entire move up for a nice 1 to 10. I didn't enter any other positions. I just held this one, and yeah, that was a nice 1 to 10 move. Position fully closed, and I'm happy with my trade on that one for a Monday morning, 12/21, Christmas week. So probably we'll take it easy the rest of the week and just let the markets do their thing, and that's pretty much it.